Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Meet to your browser microphone settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Google Meet to your browser microphone settings, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the Google Meet website. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once on the Google Meet homepage, click on the New Meeting button. You can also join a meeting if you have an existing link. As you enter the meeting, look for the microphone icon in the bottom left corner. Ensure that the microphone icon is not crossed out. If it is crossed out, click on it to unmute yourself. Now, click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose the Audio tab. Here, you'll see options for your microphone and speakers. Make sure your desired microphone is selected from the drop-down menu. You can test the microphone by speaking and observing the input level bar. If you don't see the microphone working, check your browser permissions. To do this, click on the lock icon next to the URL in the address bar. Select Site Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the microphone option and ensure it is set to Allow. Return to the Google Meet tab once permissions are correctly set. Test your microphone again in the audio settings. Once everything is configured, close the settings menu. You're now ready to use your microphone in Google Meet without any issues. Enjoy your meeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.